Hey there, quick review of these CatSense rat traps. As you see here, nice big powerful jaw on these, but before you set this by pulling it down, you want to bait the trap first. They've created this nice little door on the front here so that you can bait the trap on the inside without having to put your fingers into the danger area in here. So then after you've baited your trap, just a matter of closing that again. When you snap this back, it'll automatically snap into place and now the trap is set. Do a quick little demonstration here. Pull it back, the trap is set. I'm gonna use a mouse here even though this is a rat trap. You can see that is a lot of pressure clamping down right there. You will also notice around this top there are these teeth that are gonna really latch down hard and allow the rat not to escape. One more time to demonstrate, pressing it down to set it. You can see that I actually snapped my rod. So here we go, that flew across the room, extremely powerful jaws on this. And then whenever you want to dispose of the rat, you just squeeze that back end and it'll drop out. So the ease of setting the trap, the powerful jaws, and then the ease of disposal after the fact make this an overall excellent value. I'd recommend it.